Oh, Jesus. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Do you see that? I'm not holding my eyebrow up at all. I also saw this one girl hold it where like you contour and it like completely changed your face. So like, let's try that. There is no way. I hope you guys can see this on camera, but right here, it is lifted. Like this is round and this one's kind of like slanted.
I know this looks crazy, but I just want to show you how crazy this tool works. I am a licensed esthetician and makeup artist. Hi, my name is Kaylin Lewis. And look. You see how this side is sculpted, depuffed, lifted? This side's still nice, but it's not as sculpted. See, the difference is huge.
If you have a double chin, like I do, and a turkey neck, I need you to listen up. This device is freaking amazing. I've only been using it on my forehead and my face. You can see the definition from this side to that, all of the inflammation, and then the definition. I decided to use it only on half my face, but watch my neck. Ready? I started using it on this side, look. Ready? Look at this. Literally chin hanging, none. Chin hanging, none. That is so crazy! I can't make this up. That is so crazy. I will link it below for you to grab it.